Introduction. Vibha and her family are shifting to a new house today. She watches her mother and father struggle hard to move a trunk in the bedroom. In the living room, she finds her uncle moving a much bigger TV unit quite easily. Her uncle tells her that he could do so because of the wheels present at the bottom of the TV unit. Vibha is surprised that such small wheels can be of such great help. In this lesson, you will learn the story of wheels. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to explain the importance of wheels and describe the invention of wheels. Wheels around us. All vehicles that move on roads, such as bicycles, scooters, cars, buses and trucks, trains, and even aeroplanes have wheels. Wheels are circular. Wheels are circular in shape. Their shape allows easy movement. Self-assessment. Click the objects that can roll. Wheels in vehicles. Some vehicles such as scooters, motorcycles, etc. have small wheels, while some others such as buses, trucks, etc. having big wheels. Some vehicles have 2 wheels, while some others have 4. Size and number of wheels of a vehicle depend on its size. Let us learn more about wheels. Story of wheels. Long, long ago, when there were no means of transport, man covered distances on foot. He carried his goods on his back or on the backs of domesticated animals like donkeys, buffaloes, etc. But it was difficult to carry loads on animals over long distances. One day while working, man rolled some logs of wood. He did it easily because of their round shape. He used his knowledge and created a cart by connecting 2 round pieces of a tree trunk. But the cart wouldn't move because of the different sizes of the pieces. He then used 2 round pieces of the same size. His cart began to move. This is how wheels came to be invented. Improvements in wheel. With the passage of time, wheels improved. Wooden wheels of the olden days have now been replaced by wheels made of steel, rubber, and iron. Uses of wheels. Wheels are useful to us in many ways. Wheels allow movement of vehicles. Toys come with wheels so that they can be moved. A wheelchair enables movement of a disabled person or a patient from one place to another. Self-assessment. It is time to check what you have learned. Click the object that cannot be moved by wheels. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Wheels are present in cars, buses, trains, and planes. They are circular in shape. Circular shape allows wheels to roll easily.